How's it going, guys? This is Holly with Grindworx, and I hope you're paying attention because we have new knives from Boker, new automatic knives. So check it out. This one probably looks familiar. We've got new blade styles for the Boker Kalashnikov. So all the specs are the same as far as the original Kalashnikov goes. You know, the 7.625 inches overall with a 3 1/4 inch blade, Oz 8 steel, you know, 3 and almost 3/4 ounces. But check out the blade styles. This is the Harpoon style, black coated. Over here we got the modified Sheepsfoot and a Stonewash. That is a thing of beauty. And then we have a Hawkbill or Karambit style blade, also black coated. Super excited about these new shapes. I mean, the Kalashnikov is not one of those things that needs a whole lot of improvement, but it's always so exciting to see something new and interesting that you haven't seen before. I really dig the Harpoon, not just because it looks wicked, but because that little swoop up on the Harpoon is the perfect place to put your finger. I feel like this would make for a fantastic cutting experience. Pretty sweet, eh? Now, you might be wondering what's over here. This should be familiar to you if you're familiar at all with Boker knives. This is the Boker Kihon, but now with automatic action. 7 3/4 inches overall. 3 1/4 inch drop point Oz 8 steel blade, 3.24 ounces, so a little lighter than the Kalashnikov. It's got your tip-up carry pocket clip, and we got a lanyard hole there. Now these are designed by Lucas Burnley. Fantastic guy, has come out with some amazing designs over the years, both for Boker, CRKT, others. I am pretty stinking excited about this knife, and I'll tell you why. It has a lot of the same features as the Kalashnikov, so if you're a fan of the Kalashnikov, you're gonna like this knife. It's got the sturdy aluminum handle scales, just with a, you know, maybe slightly more refined design. I love this open spacing with the barrel spacer in the back. We've got jimping on the back of the blade here, and even though they're calling this a drop point, it's almost like a spear point. Like it's a really good piercing blade. I like that they kind of harken back to the texture of the handles on the Kalashnikov and these sort of inset milled areas here. The firing button is pretty well recessed, so no need for a safety, but it's just a beautiful knife. And because it's lightweight, but it uses the same firing mechanism as the Kalashnikov, it actually hits harder than the Kalashnikov. That action, so flippin' snappy. It comes in a couple different fun colors. You know this one's gonna be my favorite, the Desert Warrior. That copper finish blade and the OD green handles. Beautiful. And then we have black blade, black handle. And the best part is, all of these knives still fit really well into the budget category. These new Kalashnikov blade shapes are right about at $42.99 on the site currently, and the new Kihon Auto, $49.99. So just 10 bucks more than the standard Kalashnikov price that you're used to. But a major upgrade, I feel like, in design, the action, the look. I think that these might overtake the Kalashnikov in popularity. Who knows? Kalashnikov has been king for a long time. That's a difficult spot to fill, but I, for one, am a huge fan. So hit me up in the comments. I want to know which of these are you excited to take home? Because I mean, phew, if you wanted me to choose, I'm definitely a fan of the Harpoon blade. I would love to see it in a Stonewash at some point. And of course, you can't beat this Desert Warrior colored pattern here. So these two are probably my favorites. Tell me, which one are you going to be taking home? If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.